Tell us what we're doing today, Taylor.
We're gonna try to catch some trout.
Where are we at?
Bennett Springs State Park.
Oh. All right.
You can use what you have on there now.
Oh, yeah.
Catch anything with that.
I will. I'm catch them all.
Okay, it's not Pokemon, Josh.
It's close
This
enough.
is my setup. Look at this sliding titanium sinker.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So cool.
That way when the bait floats up, it fucking runs away.
Not a trout, but I did catch a little goggle eye. Sorry we didn't get it on camera.
We're out here trying to catch fish, so we are cheating a little bit and using stuff that really, really catches fish. It's not illegal. It's just kind of lame.
I caught another fish. He didn't film this one either. Oh, yep. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, boys.
Not fighting very hard at all.
You think Taylor's hung up? We were right. Gordon, Taylor's got himself a fish on. I think. Yeah, there he is. Barely. That might be bigger than the one I caught. Decent. He's got his eyes too. There you go. Number one. I don't know how you caught that. Oh my god, he doesn't have an eye. Probably not.
I'd set him on the ground because he'd break the line.
Yeah. Check this out.
He doesn't have an eye. Wow. That's pretty crazy.
Taylor got the fish. Bassmaster Taylor is converted to trout fishing, and he's doing great.
Garlic, salt. What else do we need? You need this? Salt, pepper. $4. Fuck that.
How much is that?
$1.70.
It's way cheaper. Yeah, but they don't have any. They got some peach bass. Do they have lemon candies?
Maybe.
Lemon drops? Substitute lemon drops for lemon.
They might, right here. You pick up the lemons.
You want to?
I don't know, maybe.
We couldn't get any lemons, so we got assorted fruit slices. Just shitty candy. But we're hoping it's gonna work out. Might.
Probably not.
Probably not. Look at it.
So let's take these down here.
They've all got. Oh, sharpen your blade on your leg. It looks like your emo. Emo Taylor, how sad are you?
Not very sad.
He doesn't even have to be that sad. He cuts himself. Definitely not good for us. That feels so good. Get your foil out. slap the fish on there.
So we don't have any oil. So
YOLO. Garlic salt.
I'm going to give this guy a good salting. And what you do is you take them and you just cut them in half. Maybe. They are very tough.
You don't have to cut them all the way. Just cut them open enough so that the flavor comes out of them. You want
to cook the leprosy out of them.
You can't cook the leprosy out if the lemon bits are you know, whole. He looks like he might need one more. Very important step, guys. Whatever you do, don't mess it up.
This may be the most important step.
This is probably more important than catching the fish, if we're going to be honest. Here we go.
There we go. Now I get a nice lemony flavor.
That looks fucking awesome.
I know it does.
Alright guys, option number 2 is pretty much the same thing, just without the fake lemons.
Let's do the same deal.
Alright guys, it's been about an hour. We're pulling these off here. We think they should be done.
If not,
doesn't matter, they've been dropped on the floor in way more than 5 seconds.
there's a giant hole in it.
Yeah.
It smells like burnt garlic. Oh my god, that's hot.
That smells good. I like that. That's done, right? Is that the lemon one?
I don't know which one it is.
No.
No.
Tell if it's yellow.
I'm pretty sure it is done though.
It looks done. You want to make sure it's flaky and stuff. Shouldn't be squishy.
That's flaky. It's done.
Look at it. We'll plate that for you, get you a sweet looking thumbnail. That's probably the reason you clicked on this video. Alright guys, check it out. We got our regular one, and we got the one we put the fake lemons in, the candy, because we couldn't find real lemons, and our super dank meme apple pie. Alright, Taylor, what do you think?
I don't know, I haven't tried it yet.
Give it a try.
Alright, we're gonna try some here.
Are we gonna try the regular one first, or are we trying?
We're trying the regular one first.
Alright.
For sure. Look at that.
Look at it.
Put some onion in there.
A little bit of green onions, wild.
Tastes pretty good actually.
Does it?
Yeah.
That's good. You gonna give that lemon one a try?
I guess. It's all fucking yellow as shit.
It doesn't look good.
Don't look great at all.
It smells good.
Candied.
It's candied trout pretty much. Sweet? Too sweet?
It's really sweet.
Okay.
Not in a good sweet. It's sweet like candy.
Okay. Alright Josh, try this stuff.
You look at the camera at all?
That's really good. The regular fish. This lemon one, let me use your knife real quick, buddy. Get some of this good lemon out of there. Not very much. It's mostly candy. That's fucking gross. Ugh. The real lemons are bust, guys. The lemon flavor is strong. Ungodly strong and not real. I like to have my pie get a little bit of that burnt on there. It's nice. It's actually, this is still pretty warm.